Here's Dumbass, Part 2.
That way. Don't
Ready?
pull it.
Oh, sorry.
Ready?
Yes, go. Oh, look. Wait.
Oh.
There's a problem.
What?
It's going over, but it's not going to be able to get, past the bolts.
But isn't that an okay thing? Because
Yeah, but then we have to saw the bolt. We're going to have to cut the bolts off.
Maybe it's better to do it when it's down.
Can we cut the bolts? Okay, well let's let it go. So